How to merge C and D drive in Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. At the bottom left corner, you can find the search box. Over there, type in partition. With that, you will find this option, create and format hard disk partitions. Now click on the option of open. After you open it, a new window will pop up. Now over here, you will find your C drive and D drive. Firstly, make sure you have already backed up your D drive. Now right click on it. With that, different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of delete volume. Deleting this volume will erase all data on it. Back up any data you want to keep before deleting. Do you want to continue? Click on yes. After you delete this, you will find the option of unallocated over here. Now you have to right click on the C drive. With that, different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of extend volume. With that, a new window will pop up. Go ahead and click on next for all the options. And after you complete that, you will be good to go. You have just merged C and D drive in Windows 10 or 11. Well, this is how you can easily merge C and D drive in Windows 10 or 11. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.